Hello, welcome to ADA. My name's Dieter and I'm going to be your coach for the day. This week's top tip is all about inclines. Being more specific, failed inclines. I'm riding on an uphill and I can't make it up all the way. So let's jump on our bikes, ride up and take it from there. So as you can see, we came up and just at the end we didn't make it. Now there's two ways to turn the bike around. We're going to focus only on the one when I'm quite high up on the incline and I want to turn around. The important parts now is where my weight is. My left leg, the uphill side, is on the ground. The downhill side leg stays on the foot peg. I don't want to put this leg out, otherwise it's going to pull my weight all the way down. Then weight nicely over to the left. Important part is the bike leans slightly to the uphill side as well. If something goes wrong, the bike goes down uphill side. Never do I want to drop the bike downhill side. Now all I do is I turn my head, look all the way where I want to go and start turning the handlebars left to right. Let's do it. So as easy as that. As you can see, turn the bike around. Important part is head focused where I want to go. No back brake, no clutch, no front brake. Have fun, stay safe and enjoy it.